Okay, so we're at about 200 feet a minute, 300. And then we found this. Roofers leave these in here. It's a code violation. Now check it. Then we're going to clean out the pipe and put a new metal one on the back. See what it comes up to. Oh wow, the plastic thing too, right? So this thing was pushing 1,000 feet a minute after we pulled the screen out. We're going to put a metal one back here that goes straight up in. You're not supposed to have foil or plastic on the back of the dryer vent. Put a new pipe on there and cleaned it out. We're gonna go see what it's reading. When we got here, there was a screen in it and it was blowing about 300 feet a minute through the screen. Pulled the screen out, jumped up to about 1,000 feet a minute. Then we cleaned the pipe, put a new pipe back there because the old one was foil and it was going all over the place. Now we'll see what Brian's getting at that up here now that it's clean and got the right pipe on. So putting the right pipe on and cleaning it brought it up another 1,000 feet a minute. It needs to see at least 1,500 feet a minute to be adequate airflow for the dryer.